Hey guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I have a yard sale haul to share with you today. If you are new here, I have an antique booth called Green Onion Vintage, and I'm always looking for things to sell in my booth, hopefully for a good profit. So let me just jump right into the haul because my baby is acting like he's never heard of an afternoon nap all of a sudden. It's like he knows that I wanted to accomplish something this afternoon. I've been trying to film this for like 4 hours now, so I'm just maybe gonna have to start and stop because I have to get this thing going. And I don't get dressed every day this nice, so I need to take advantage of looking decent to make a video. First thing I found, this was at like a younger girl's yard sale, and I think she had brought some of her mom stuff over too, so this was a really fun sale for me to shop. I got this little glass cloche with the wood base, and these are so popular right now. I was so happy to find it. I love this size. I've sold a couple of these, and I only paid $2. I think I've sold my other ones for around $15, I want to say. It has little feet on the bottom, so I'll probably sell this for around the same. I thought that was a really good find. I also just picked up some other fun pieces. This is like a vintage inspired tin sign. It's not authentic by any means, but I thought it had some like good personality there. Let me know down in the comments below if you're familiar with the term cottage core. It's getting pretty popular right now, and I'm really excited to kind of be hearing more about it because I think it nails down my style perfectly. I've been calling myself farmhouse because I have a lack of a better word for it, for what I think my style is, but cottage core is actually right down my alley. I like that it brings in a lot of elements from the outside in. It has like a lot of natural textures, things like cobblestones. Just like think of an old English cottage. Some of my favorite movies like Pride and Prejudice days, where you can just picture like their little homes out in the English countryside. Like that is exactly what I would love my house to look like. I think farmhouse is definitely on its way out, and even Joanna Gaines herself is kind of moving into more of a cottagey feel with her paint colors and kind of like her tile choices. So I feel like we're all kind of making this shift either towards modern farmhouse or towards cottage core. And I definitely have a preference for cottage core. I think painting my hutch green instead of the black was kind of a step that direction. And so I tried to find some pieces that would maybe go more towards the cottage core style. So I found like this. I feel like this is something that could go that way. Just anything that has like florals in it, anything like kind of apothecary inspired is really popular right now. So I think all I'm going to do for this is maybe just paint the frame and kind of update it a bit. So this is only $1. And like I said, anything that kind of brings like the garden elements in, I feel like fits that cottage core style. Uh-oh, I'm getting summoned. Did you hear that? So I found like this faux vintage tomato placard kind of. It's on like a piece of wood. And this is from Target, circa year 2001. That's 20 years ago. Does that make it vintage yet? I don't think so. I think it has to be 30. But that's crazy that 2001 was 20 years ago already. That's mind-blowing to me, but I thought that was really cute. I love actually using tomatoes in my kitchen, like not just to eat. I do eat tomatoes, but as decor too. I don't know why, it's just something I always gravitate towards. Even though I'm not really a huge fan of red, I do have a lot of red in my kitchen. So I thought that was a really cute find. And then with that, I found this tomato pitcher. I thought was really cute. It's in great shape, and this is also from Target, but back in 2003. So I feel like these are going to be pretty hard to find at this point, maybe even collectible. Just kidding, not really, but I thought that was really cute, and I love it on my green hutch. So I might just let them like chill there for a few weeks until I put them in my booth. Kind kind of just like typical things I buy. Anything that's kind of like old and wooden, has some character. I paid 50 cents for this. Oh, did I tell you how much the picture was? I don't know where the tag went. Oh, I think it was $3 for this. Okay, anyway, back to the mallet. I've sold a lot of these in my booth. 50 cents was a pretty good price, and then $2 for this rolling pin. I just like both of these for staging. I don't even know that they'll sell necessarily in my booth. It's been a long time since I've sold a rolling pin because I try to get like $8 to $10 for them. But I like having them in my booth just for staging. I love putting them in pictures and crockery. So like I don't mind having them in my booth and not selling them. But I do like to find them at a really cheap price like this. At that same yard sale, I got this cute basket. I like that it was like a tight weave. There's a wooden bottom. I only paid $1 for this. So I feel like the cottage core has a lot of crossovers with other styles. I feel like this is pretty much a boho style basket. Be right back. Okay, here we are. We're gonna do this video together. So I feel like this basket is a little more boho, which I feel like I said, boho and cottagecore, they kind of have some crossovers. Cottagecore and farmhouse have some crossovers. So I'm really just looking for like a lot of natural elements, and that's not like new to me at all. I'm always kind of looking for things that are kind of inspired by the outdoors. What else can I grab one-handed? Got this cute little box. I thought about maybe painting the lid and putting like a little stamp on it. So we'll see how ambitious or just how much free time I get to maybe do that. I like the color it is though, so I might just sell it as is. This was $1, like a little recipe box. And what are you saying? My mom grabbed this lamp. If you don't know, my mom and I actually do our booth together. So she grabbed this for me to see if I wanted to keep it. It does need an updated wire, so I might make that like a little homeschooling project with my boys, but this is only $2, so it's like a white ceramic lamp. And I love the basket weave shade. I have a lamp actually that has a basket weave shade that you guys have asked me a lot about. I've gotten them both secondhand, so I can't tell you where to buy them. But for $2, you really can't beat that. And if you are looking for a lamp, there are so many at the Goodwill. I feel like I'm gonna have to take a break because somebody's not very happy right now. You wanna say hello? You wanna say hello? No, not so much. Okay, let's take a break and I'll get right back. Okay, it's like literally an hour later. I have a baby down to sleep. I have supper started. I have a new shirt on because I got spit up all over, and that's why I haven't made any videos in a while. This is proving to be a lot more difficult than I even expected. I'm almost done though. I have all the smalls already shared with you, but another cool thing that I found. I got 2 sets of these, and this is like a fireplace gate. What are they called? Screen, fireplace screen. So I have 2 that are exactly the same, and they just use them to sit side by side. On the back side, they have like these little votive holders, and they had votives in them at the sale, but they were red, and I would have never chosen the red ones, even though I don't even know if you could actually see the color from the front. But I thought these were so cute and charming, and I mean, talk about like cottagey. These have some really great detail, and of course I love the green roofs, and I love combining green with white. So I just thought this was so cute. And I paid $8 for like the pair of them. So I thought that was a really great deal. Because I think I could honestly sell the pair for close to like $45 maybe. I could probably go higher than that, but I feel like I got such a good deal on them that I would like to share the good deal with my customer. I also picked up a couple embroidery hoops. I've been doing quite a few different crafts with these, and I picked up just this piece of like scrap linen, or it's almost like a drop cloth actually, but it's a little lighter than the drop cloth that I normally use. So I'm gonna just combine these two and use some of my Iron Orchid stamps to just make a quick little wall art. I've done this a few times, especially in my boys' nursery, and they turned out really cute. So that was just like a couple dollars for all these materials, and this will be a nice easy project also. Okay, and now I'm gonna move the camera. I got a small end table that was really cute with like some nice chunky carved legs, and then just like a black shelf that I'm probably not gonna do anything with. This was, I think, $3. There's nothing wrong with it, so I'm just gonna sell it as is for now, and if it doesn't sell, I'll paint it a different color. And then I did end up paying $10 for this, which is a little high, but I really loved the character of the legs. So I thought it was pretty cute for that price. I think I'll be able to sell it for $35. So I'm gonna get to work on this table right now.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me amidst the chaos. I promise that one day I'll have some smoother videos to share with you, but right now this is my season of life. So I'm just glad that you're here to be a part of it. I hope you enjoyed these projects and this yard sale haul. Let me know how your yard sailing is going, or if you have an antique booth, what kind of things are selling for you right now. And I would love to hear if you guys have heard of cottagecore before and kind of your thoughts on that, if anyone else is kind of drifting towards that style also. I love to hear from you guys in the comments, so even if I don't respond, just know that I'm reading those and doing the best I can to get back to you guys. But I'll let you go here. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.